AI briefing.
Number 1. Armed drones are coming to U.S. schools. Some U.S. schools are getting fleets of remotely piloted attack drones that can fire pepper rounds, disorient, and even ram an active shooter in the halls, controlled by a private response team hundreds of miles away in Austin. Why it matters. The $4 billion a year U.S. schools spend on physical security buys hardware that reports. These drones act on a judgment call made by a contractor in Austin. Officials are uneasy. Omelet's AI gun detector once flagged a teenager's Doritos bag, yet failed to see the handgun used in a fatal Tennessee school shooting.
Number 2. Gemini now runs humanoids, legs included. Google DeepMind just updated its Gemini model to drive whole robot bodies for the first time, humanoids included, feet to fingertips, through fiddly work like threading a light bulb into a socket or knotting a trash bag shut. Why it matters. Gemini gives robot makers a potential shortcut to a sophisticated control stack, but the most important control models remain limited to early access partners. The launch also happened the same week the government cut off the low-cost Chinese platforms most U.S. researchers learn on.
Number 3. Zoox starts charging for robotaxi rides. Amazon's Zoox became the first purpose-built robotaxi cleared by federal regulators to charge fares. Its pod with no steering wheel, no pedals, and no side mirrors will start taking money in Las Vegas as soon as this month. Why it matters. This is the first time U.S. regulators have greenlit commercial service for a fully driverless, non-traditional vehicle platform. Waymo already operates 4K vehicles and delivers 500,000 paid rides a week. Zoox is far behind, and its exemption permits only 2,500 new vehicles per year, but it is out of its free demo phase.